say I pick on learners and P-platers too much. Not at all. This learner I've been behind for a good few minutes now, and he's doing quite well. Or he, she, are doing quite well, driving quite safe, so I've got no reason to make any comment. They haven't stepped out of line. Good one, buddy.
Dumb ways to die. So many dumb ways to die.
Number plate on your motorbike.
Dumb ways to die. So many dumb ways to die.
Oh, what the fuck? Fucking idiot. The yellow line there means don't stop. Are you fucking kidding me? Come on, come on, come on! On! Fucking go! I'm fucking sitting there waiting for. Straight through the red light.
They saw the need.
Wakey, wakey! Oh, you worked out where you wanted to go, did you? Come on. Oh, come on. For fuck's sake. What are you doing? Oh, God. What are you fucking doing? Seriously, fuck me. Oh, look at him doing illegal U-turns. Fucking hell. And what's this prick doing? Why is he going so fucking slow? Fucking move it! You dumb shit. What the fuck is he doing? Oh my fucking godfather. Don't you speed demon. What the fuck are you doing? You dickhead. You fuckwit! You absolute fuckwit! Oh, you're good, aren't you? dickhead. Oh, piss off. I don't care who you are. Fuck you. Trying to put muffle your way in on me. He's a fuckwit. This traffic control guy is an absolute fuckwit. Black group. You got a very bad driver there. Oh, look at this one. Here's another one. DFOOGX. What the hell has happened here? Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh, we got a nice little accident at the Heights. The Heights Boulevard that leads up the second lead up. There's a four-wheel drive on the wrong side of the road. It looks like he's gone into a truck or something's happened, I don't know. Or maybe he's assisting the truck, but it's looks like a bloody accident to me.
Oh no, that's a bad sign, Peter. The siren is not a good sign. That means somebody fucked up badly.
You fuckwit!
We cut over now to our fan of the game, Peter. I mean, we got a guy like this. This is the kind of guy that eats a jug of mayo, has 15 children tied up in his basement, likes to fuck stuffed animals, and has an unlimited subscription to Brazzers or whatever that porn site is.
Oh, through the red.
Africa is a continent.
Oh, great driving, buddy. Bloody brilliant driving. You're in such a hurry, aren't you? Yeah, what an idiot.
Okay. Okay, come on. I can only feel the pain when I'm walking.
Oh, good one, buddy. That was a legend of a turn, Mr. BMW 102YHK. Can't you follow lines on the road, mate? No, we don't know what lines on the road means, do we? Dickhead. There you go. Thanks a fuck lot, prick. Thanks a fucking lot, you dickhead. Nice, I had my fucking hand out the window and everything. And you want to be a fucking prick. Excuse me. Fuck you too, mate. Seriously. Fuck me.
These were all groups. I was coming out of Old Pacific Highway.
Fuck off.
And then Days Road, all came screaming past. There's something happening down there.
Yeah, go on, sit up my ass, mate. I've got it all on camera. All on camera, mate. All on camera. It's all on camera, mate. All on camera. Another fucking dickhead. Wants to be a hemorrhoid. To continually play fucking games. Good on ya. Good on ya. Good on ya. Fucking dickhead. All on camera. Oh, that good one, mate. You just turned right in the straight ahead lane. Oh, you fucking dickhead. What a fucking tosspot you are, mate. Fucking real clever, mate. Fucking real clever, mate. Real clever. Real clever.
Mate, I was not intruding on you at all, mate.
Mate, it's just stupid driving that you just did. Don't worry, you'll see yourself on YouTube, mate.
Come to Australia, you might accidentally get killed. Your blood is bound to be spilled. With fear, your pants will be filled. Because you might accidentally get killed.